Yeah. That'd be good. Yeah, that'd be a good idea. Okay, did I start recording? I did. Okay, 8-7 math, lesson 28. 8-7 math, lesson 28. So, man, I got yellow on again. I always do that. It's hard to see up on the board for you guys.
I can see yellow.
Can you? Oh, okay, maybe I'll use yellow. Well, I already use yellow the most because that's my favorite color. So lesson 28, page 181 is where we're starting. Didn't you need to go nap in the office? No? Okay. So we're doing two-step word problems, and we are working on average as well. Sweet. I love averages, also known as the mean. Okay. Hello, all of you who are not here. We have no Aries, no Oasis, no Courtney, no Bethy. So, yep, those are the 8-7ers not here. So, hello, you guys. Huh? Yeah. I think we already learned, maybe that was a different math group. I can't remember which math group learned about it already. So example one, which is on page 182. Example 1, page 182. So Julie went to the store with $20. So I'm gonna write down the $20 because that's an important piece of information. $20. If she bought 8 cans of dog food for 67 cents, all right, so 8 cans, 67 cents. Writing down my important information. This is per can. How much money did she have left? How much money did she have left that she could go spend on other food or whatever? So we have $20 total that we have to spend. We got a $20 bill. We are getting 8 cans of dog food. Each can of dog food is 67 cents. How am I going to figure out how much money I have left? Abby, how do I do this? Not the 20 in the 67. I'm going to multiply the 8 in the 67, the 8 in the 67. And then I'm going, that answer, I will subtract 20 from that answer. So 8 times 67. Let me line this up a little bit better so it doesn't look bad. So I got 0.67 and I got 8. First things first, since I'm working with decimals, I'm going to put my number sign here, and I'm going to put a decimal right there. I'm leaving 2 spots right here and 1 spot right here. So that's a big deal right there. Make sure you always add your decimals when you're working with money, because $5 is going to be a lot different than $500. So first things first, William, what am I doing here?
First becomes 8, 7.
56, so add my 6 there, carry my 5.
848 plus 5.
53.
40, so 5, 8 times 0 plus 5 is 5.
Yep, so 8 times 0 is 0, plus 5, 5 goes right here. So $5.36 is how much we spent on 8 cans of dog food. How do I figure out how much money I have left? Caleb, how much money do I have left?
For what?
So do I need to take that away again because you're drawing and you're not doing math? Yeah, good idea. So how much money do I have left? I have $20 total, and I just spent $5.36 on dog food. How much do I have left? So how do I set it up, I should say?
So $5.36 minus $20.
Yeah.
That would be 14 and 74. $14.74. 6.
4, 1. So 1464. 1464. So yeah, you're really close. So $14.64 left.
I've been trying to do math on the top of my head easier.
Yeah.
I'm really good at that.
Yeah, that is good. So $14.64 is how much money Julie has left after buying dog food. All right. Okay, let's try out average. Let's try out average. So first off, average, it's also known as the mean. Average is the same thing as the mean. So when you're asked to find the mean of something, that's when you are finding the average. So I know it's not meaner, it's mean, it's mean.
I mean, it does be mean because it's just the same as average.
No, I was quoting Madeline right there, saying meaner.
Actually, I saw from Wyatt.
Oh, that's from Wyatt? Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so the mean. So here's a little word problem for you. Example 2 on page 183. So when people were seated, there were 3 in the first row, 3 in the first row, 7 in the second row, 20 in the third row. What was the average number of people in each of the first 3 rows? So what am I going to do with those 3 numbers to find my average, Jaden? What am I going to do with those 3 numbers to find my average? Yeah, add them all together, yep. And that's going to be, so 3 plus 7 plus 0, that's going to be 10. So 0, carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is going to be 3, so I have 30. 30, is that my answer right there, Abby? Is that my answer? Bingo. I'm going to take 30 and I'm going to divide it by 3 because there are 3 total rows. So 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows. Good. So when I do that, 3 goes into 3 one time. 3 minus 3 is 0. And then 3 goes into 0, 0 times. So I'm left with 10 is the average number of people. So 10 people.
G is making it look like 4.
So 10 people. Okay. So how many more examples we got? One more example on page 184. One more example. Example 3 on page 84. And I'll let you guys keep cruising through your homework. So Robert took 20 math tests. Wow. 20 math tests. I'm sorry, Robert. On five tests, he scored 100, so 20 total. He scored 100 on one of them. Good job, Robert. On 4 tests, he scored 95. Oh, man. So 95 4 times. I am not going to have enough room for all these. So 95 4 times. On 6 tests, he scored 90. My goodness, he's crushing it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to be massive. And then on 5 tests, he scored 80.
Why did you say 5 tests? Hold on, there may be a twist to it.
80. So rather than adding all these up like this, what's a quicker way I could do this? What's a quicker way I could do this? William? Yeah, multiply. Good, Abby. So I'm going to have 100. So 100, he got that on, oh, he got that on 5 tests. So I missed that part. So
Yeah, I was confused.
100 times 5, I did not catch that part. I read over that. So 100 times 5, what's that going to be, Abby? 500. And then I'm going to have, so 95, he scored a 95 on 4 of his tests. So 95 times 4. I can't do that in my head, so I'm going to multiply here. So 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 9 is going to be 36 plus 2 is 38. So 380. And then I have scored 96 times. So 96 times. So now I'm going to do that right here. 90 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 9 is, what was that? Yeah, 54. So 540. And then I have 80 times 5. 80 times 5. Yep. Yep, 400. So what William was saying there is take 8 times 5, which is 40, and then just add your 0 from the 80. And that's how you get 400. So now I can add all these up, Now I can add all those up, and then I would divide by my total number of tests, which was 20. So 0.
Yeah, that's 21.
No, it's 20. 5 and 5 is 10. 6 and 4 is 10. 8 plus 4 is 12. And then 5 and 5 is 10. Plus 4 is 8. Plus another 4 is 18. So I have 1,820. Divide that by 20. Divide that by 20. And one thing that I was showing you guys yesterday is one little shortcut you can do with multiplying or dividing is, so I have a 0 with 1,820 and I have a 0 here with the 20. So I can just take 182 and divide it by 2. So 2 goes into 18 9 times. And then 2 goes into 2 1 time, and I have a remainder of 0. So he averaged a 91% on all of his tests. So he got a 91% just on his test scores. All right, so you guys go ahead and continue on with your math. Keep cruising through. So A through F, and then 1 to 29 odd. 1 to 29 odd.
Did you let that student like that as your work?
I got lots of students like that.
Yeah.
Let's actually cancel my meeting.